Okay, next episode in our Weekend Warrior series, and we are heading down to West London. We're heading down to the Harrow Road and what was a pub called the Windsor Castle. Iron Maiden have a connection with here, the Clash have a connection with here, U2, the Jam, the list goes on. This is a really significant venue in the pub rock scene. So let's go and find out about this history. I'm going to put another postcard up on a lamppost. Alright, see you there. So West London has always been associated with both pub rock and punk rock, with Stiff Records being founded by Westbourne Park, the Clash, the Sex Pistols, all of these bands have an association with this area, and this venue, the Windsor Castle along the Harrow Road, is no exception. The Clash were inspired to form after seeing Dr. Feelgood play here. The Clash would then go on and write a song about condoms that you could find in the vending machines at this pub, Protective Blue. Other bands to play here include U2, The Jam, Iron Maiden, with Iron Maiden famously refusing to go on stage and play after the owner suggested they go on to an empty room, and they refused, they stormed out, and they ended up getting banned. Another band who performed early on in their career here was Madness, who also performed to an empty room. Now, as you can see, it's been redeveloped. I think it's getting changed into some sort of fancy private student accommodation or something. I mean, I know, a great shame, like there are almost hardly any venues left in West London, but still, let's try and remember this history. I mean, it was central to grassroots music and punk rock music coming up. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have. Don't forget to subscribe, give this a like, follow, share. You can see these postcards I've attached to all the lampposts. If you are around London and see these, have a read of the history, go and check out the history, share it with people. Anyway, have a great weekend everyone. I'll see you later. Bye.